welcome to MyMusicSchool.com. Today we're going to talk about major scales, specifically the C major scale, and we're going to learn how to play it on the piano. A normal major scale has 7 notes. You can start from any note on the piano, but the easiest one to play of the major scales is the C major scale. Because it contains only white keys. You see the white keys on the piano? They're the easiest ones to spot. You just have to know where to start. So to find the C on the piano, you have to look for these 2 black keys on top, because they're grouped in 2 and 3 groups. You look at the 2 keys and you pick the one left of the first one. So this is the C on the piano. Very important. This is the lowest note we'll play. And then we'll move upwards. 7 notes, it sounds like this. And the 8th note that we'll play is actually the same note repeating again. So the pattern of the piano is repeating again. So this is also a C. And then we'll move back down. Easy, right? The notes are also placed in an alphabetical order. Right now we're not starting on the A, because the A is slightly below the C. But let's say we started from the A, B, C, and from there it's easy to name the notes actually. So C, D, E, F, G, and then we're at the A again. A, B, C, right? Has a nice pleasant sound to it. Let's check how we move the fingers to play the scale using our hands as efficiently as possible. So you would use the thumb to play the C, then the D, the second finger, the E with the third finger, and since we have 7 notes and only 5 fingers, you would have to start with your thumb again at some point. And we will choose to do that after the 3rd note. So we play the F, like moving our thumb underneath and starting over. And then G follows, A, B, and the high C. Let's play with the 5th finger. That concludes the whole scale. So let's do it on the way back, like the same. So we switch at the same point, but backwards. C, E, A, G, F. Now we're on our thumb, so we're out of fingers, so to speak. So we have to move over, play the E with our 3rd finger, D, and then we're back home at the C with our thumb. So that's how to play a major scale in C major. Thank you and see you next time.